Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to part 2 of lesson 2. In this lesson, we will learn how to read and write third and fourth line of Nepali consonant. As you can see here, third line is the palatal sound where we make the pronunciation by hitting the tongue on the palate. Whereas you can see here, fourth line is the dental sound which we produce by touching the tongue with the teeth. Therefore, third line is called palatal sound, the sound produced from tongue hitting the palate, and fourth line is called dental sound, tongue touching the teeth. This is third line. Now let's learn how to read and write each consonant of palatal sound. The first one is ta, ta,
ta.
Now let's learn how to write ta. Now let's learn one more time. This is how we write the first consonant of third line, ta. Let's move to the second consonant of third line, which is tha, tha.
Ta.
Now let's learn how to write tha. Let's learn one more time. This is how we write tha. Let's move to the next one. Da, da.
Da.
Now let's learn how to write da. Let's learn one more time. As I have told you in the part 1 of lesson 2, there is a consonant which is similar to nga. So, da, the consonant da, is similar to the consonant nga of the first line. The only difference here is this consonant is without any dot, whereas nga has dot in it. Now let's move further. Tha, tha.
Ta.
Now let's learn how to write tha. Let's learn one more time. Moving on to the next. Ana, ana.
Ana.
Let me give you one reading tips. Whenever we write ana in the individual sound, it takes the sound of ana, whereas if it comes in the word, this consonant should be pronounced as na. So this consonant in the word is pronounced as na, whereas ana in the individual form. Now let's learn how to write ana. It's very easy, isn't it? Let's learn one more time. Congratulations everyone, now you are able to read and write the third line, third palatal sound line. So for reading purpose, let's practice one more time. Please follow after me. Ta,
ta,
tha,
tha,
da,
da,
dha,
da,
ana.
ana.
Now let's move on to the fourth line. And the first consonant of fourth line is ta. Be careful here, the romanization for first consonant of third line and first consonant of fourth line is same, but the sound is totally different because the third line first consonant is produced from palate, but this is produced by touching the teeth. Ta, ta.
Ta,
Now let's learn how to write ta. This consonant looks quite easier, isn't it? This is how we write ta. Let's see one more time. Ta. Next consonant is tha, tha.
tha,
Now let's learn how to write tha. This is how we write tha. Moving on to the next. This consonant is pronounced as the, the.
da.
Now let's see how to write the. It's again one of the easiest consonant in Nepali language. Let's see one more time. Be careful while writing the and the of the third palatal sound because it looks almost same. But the difference is the line below in the comes a little down. Moving on to the next, it is tha. Tha.
Ta,
Now let's learn how to write tha. Let's see one more time. This is how we write tha. Again, be careful between gha of the first line consonant and tha. This is fourth line consonant. The difference is the circular part on the top of tha, whereas there is no any kind of circular part on gha. Another consonant of fourth line is na. Na.
na.
Now let's learn how to write na. It's very easy. Now let's write one more time. Now that was the end of the fourth line dental sound. Let's quickly summarize each of them. Ta,
ta,
tha,
tha,
da,
da,
dha,
da,
na.
na.
Now let's have a quick abhyas. Please try to read the consonant which is pointed here. Yes, it's ta. Next one, please. It's tha. How about this one? Da. This one. Tha. Come on, try this one. Yes, it's ana. You probably know this. Ta, dental sound. Tha. Yes, it's da. How about this one, student? Tha. And the final one of the fourth line. Hazur, it's na. I hope your attempt to read this consonant was correct. If it was not, please go back to the slide and again try to practice without looking on your own.